This here's a new turbo twister at Seekonk Grand Prix. Basically my new home park, I guess. This is about 5-10 minutes from Providence, and yeah, they opened an S.B.F spinner, so here it is. First rider, first customer. Yeah, I know these rides have popped up everywhere, but for, you know, a kiddie coaster size ride, they're fun because they spin. I think this is the first time I've actually ridden a ride on opening day, so it's pretty cool to do. I mean, I live nearby, so I had to do it.
And welcome back. Congratulations for being our first official rider on Seekonk Grand Prix brand new turbo booth.
Yeah, so definitely come check this out.
All right, please stay in your seat. We'll come up and help you this in.